In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a stand in Please Donate on Roblox mobile. So let's begin with it. It is very easy. You just need to follow some steps. So before that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's start. Open your Roblox application on your device. And then before going to the Please Donate game on Roblox, what you need to do is create a pass. You need to have a pass to make a stand in Please Donate on Roblox. So let's get started with it. You would just create a pass and go to Please Donate. Search Please Donate. After that, tap on it and tap on play. After logging in, you just need to find an uncoin stand where it says your text here. So let's search for one of the uncoin stand. Just go there. After going here, tap on stand. After that, I'll press on stand, and here you can see now the different game passes that you created will show up here for the amount of Robux that you added. Now just tap on stand and long press on it where it's added. And here look at all the options that you have. You can change the put, you can edit the text font, text color, stroke opacity, rich text, anything. Edit the put and you're done. Now to donate, just tap on just stand in front of your stand and tap on what donate.
You can also receive these donations when you're not even playing the game. What you get.
Select one of your passes and purchase it. Keep in mind that you can also receive these donations when you're not even playing the game. So in that way, you can make a stand and please donate on Roblox Mobile within this step. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful.